Here's how to install a Rain-X Repellency wiper blade on a large J-hook arm. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual of your vehicle for instructions. First, flip open the tab on top of the blade. It may be helpful to use a quarter to flip open the tab. Next, insert the opening of the adapter into the hook part of the arm and pull back on the arm until the arm rests behind the raised plastic tabs. This may take additional effort to pull into place. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Finally, activate the Rain-X water-repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean, turn on the wiper blades, and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. In wet weather conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. In dry weather conditions, apply water or washer fluid to the windshield intermittently throughout the activation period. After activation, spray washer fluid onto the windshield to observe the water beading. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X water repellency wiper blades.